I'm Megan Faulkner Brown, the Sweet Tooth Fairy. Today we are going to be making an edible gingerbread advent calendar. So we've made this part really simple for you. Using our free downloadable template, you are going to get some scissors and cut out these different shapes that are all the pieces that make up your gingerbread house. So next we're gonna prep our dough. And you'll see here, I already have some prepped. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my dough on this floured surface. I have a rolling pin that has some guides on it. This is about 1/4 inch. I'm gonna push my dough, getting a really nice evenness to it. We're gonna take our templates that have been cut out and we're gonna move piece by piece. I'm going to start and just gently pressing down on the template, trace around the edge, and place it onto the baking sheet. All right, so once you've cut out all your pieces to your house and you've put them in the oven to bake to the instructions of your recipe, you will see with a little bit of TV magic, we have our pieces that have been baked, they have cooled, and we are ready to construct our house. So this is gonna be the bottom of the house. And I have in here some really, really thickened Sweet Tooth Fairy frosting. Pipe a little line right there on the inside edge, and then I'm gonna go on the outside, push, and hold for just a few minutes. And you can feel free to be liberal with your icing because you want to make sure that it holds up. If you follow the directions, I promise you will be able to do it. So next, some of the edible treats that we're gonna put into these little cavities of our home. This is a hot cocoa bomb kit, and this is one of the things that we are gonna make to put inside of our advent calendar. I've put my meltables in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and I'm just massaging this piping bag. So only on this bottom half, we will fill about 3/4 of the way full. So I'm just squeezing it in. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna plug the hole like so. And I'm just gonna kind of rotate, kind of give it a little shake. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it into the fridge. And while it's in the fridge, you're still gonna kind of rotate it about every minute or so. We have our completely set up spheres right here. Gently lift them apart. And you can see that you have a completely set up cocoa bomb. And then I'm just gonna grab the hot cocoa mix. So I'm filling these couple scoops full and some of the sprinkles and marshmallows. We've got some peppermint candy that's been crushed. You can go like this and just take one of these, pop it on like that. I just put in some red meltables into a piping bag and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or so and got them nice and melty. Gently applying some even pressure, and I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. Really, this is the fun part where you can just kind of get creative. I'm just gonna show you a few other simple treats that you can make. All I'm doing is dipping them about 3/4 of the way into the bowl of the melted meltables. Same thing with the crispy rice marshmallow treats. This time I just dunked the whole thing in there. Super simple, right? Just some store-bought things that you just elevated a little bit and they're gonna be so, so good. So as you can see, we have plenty of treats that are super simple to pull off that we are now gonna fill our house with. Here is where it all comes together, my friends. we are going to fill these cavities with some of our treats that we have made. So now what we're gonna do, cover the tops. This is just some buttercream. I'm gonna pipe the numbers in order. Now I'm just gonna come back, decorate a little here and there, just add some more embellishments. And there you have it, an edible gingerbread advent calendar made by Megan.